morning, another good day, baby. We got some package. Yes, sir. Oh my God, big one. It's big one. How many? How many? What? Ah, it's one whole piece. Yeesh. Come on. Let's unbox this. Close that one. There's a lot of fly. Okay, let's unbox this. Let's see what we got in here. Give me the knife, Julian. Babe. Give me the knife. Give me the knife. Let's see what we got here.
Oh.
Right. Open. Yeah, this way wrapped so good.
Oh, it's air.
Let's double check. If there's no damage. Ah. And come on. See if there's no damage, no crack. That's brand new. look at it. Big box. Right. All right, no scratch. And there's one small scratch in there, but that's about it. Make sure there's no crack. All right, there's no crack. What is that in there? That's not a crack, that's just dirt.
It's a scratch.
No, that's not a scratch, that's just dirt in there. Oh, hold on. Nah, gotta be buff. Look like this one has been installed right there. Yeah, he installed this one because he doubled the holes already, but that's fine. All right, cool. So we got the new fender for the GTR. It's the Fly1 Motorsports, full carbon fiber. Alright, let's see if we can install it today. What side is this? This is the passenger side. Right, but yep, we got it today. Beautiful, clean. Alright. Alright, don't mind being a ninja right here. I did the video on how to remove it. But here, I already removed the driver's side fender to install the new carbon fiber fender. So I already took that one off, but there is 3 bolts over here in the bottom. I mean on this light right here, and you have to remove all the screws on the liners. All right, 3 bolts in the bottom, 2 bolts on the side of the door. And over here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on the top. Alright? You don't have to remove the bumper, you just have to undo the clips. Okay? Yep, that's it. As you can see, we're about to test fit that new one now. It's the old one. I didn't remove the bumper, I didn't remove the headlight. 3 bolts over here. 5 bolts in the bottom, all the screws on the headliners, or the liners for the tires, you have to remove it, and 3 in the bottom, 2 here on the side. Right? It's not too hard. Let's see how this one goes. Don't mind it, I'm so dirty, but I just finished the driver's side carbon fiber fender right there. It's already installed. I'm not perfectionist, so there's a gap over here, but in the show anyway, you're gonna open the hood so you can really see that part right there. So when you open the hood, you're just gonna see the inside of the engine bay. There's all carbon fiber as well, and the carbon fiber over here. So pretty much the fitment on the line on the door is perfect, and the one in the bottom alongside over here in the line, then over here there's a gap, and That one is okay. This one here is alright. So yep, this one over here. I could push it more, but there's nothing. Time check, it's 10:30. I started 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That's 6 hours and 30 minutes. I just finished the car. I just finished it. Maybe surprise, but just installed the carbon fiber. Can't really see it. Alright, just installed it. And then the other side as well. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a picture on this one tomorrow. Right there. You really don't see that much. Sheesh. Alright. Alright, tomorrow, boys. Oh, I'm tired. Good night.